Many homeowners don't realize how much damage common kitchen waste can cause to their plumbing. A small clog might seem harmless at first, but it can quickly turn into a serious problem. As a landlord with over 22 years of experience, I've seen it all when it comes to plumbing disasters. The repair costs have ranged anywhere between $200 to more than $3,000. I even had to dig up a pipe under the concrete of a slab house because it broke underground. That was not a fun day. You might think your garbage disposal can handle anything you throw at it, but that's not true. Even with a disposal, certain items can still block your pipes or cause damage over time. This video will guide you through the do's and don'ts of kitchen sink usage, helping you avoid expensive repairs and maintain a healthy plumbing system. In the following sections, we'll discuss why proper kitchen waste management matters, what you should never put down your sink, and alternative disposal methods. We'll also share some practical tips to help you keep your pipes clear and your wallet happy. By the end of this post, you'll have a clear understanding of how to protect your plumbing and avoid costly mistakes. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Why proper kitchen waste management matters. Your kitchen drains lead directly to your home's main plumbing system. This means that anything you put down the sink can potentially cause issues throughout your entire plumbing network. Even materials that seem harmless can accumulate over time, leading to significant blockages that are difficult and expensive to remove. When pipes get clogged, you might notice slow drains, foul odors, or even backups. In severe cases, the pressure buildup can cause pipes to burst, leading to water damage and costly repairs. More than the impact on your home, improper disposal of certain materials can harm your local wastewater system and the environment. What to do instead? Instead of using your sink as a catch-all disposal, consider alternative methods for managing kitchen waste. For fats, oils, and grease, let them cool and solidify, then toss them in the trash. These substances are major culprits in pipe blockages, so keeping them out of your plumbing is crucial. A simple yet effective tool in your kitchen should be a sink strainer. This inexpensive device catches solid materials before they go down the drain, preventing accidental disposal of harmful items. For food scraps like vegetable peels, fruit pulp, and coffee grounds, composting is an excellent solution. Not only does it reduce kitchen waste, but it also creates nutrient-rich soil for your garden. 20 things you should never put down the kitchen sink. Number 1. Grease and oil. Grease and oil are major troublemakers for your pipes. When hot, they might seem harmless, but as they cool, they solidify and stick to the inside of your pipes. Over time, this buildup can trap other debris, creating large, stubborn clogs that are difficult to remove. Instead of pouring grease down the drain, let it cool and scrape it into the trash. Number 2. Fruit and vegetable peels. Those potato and carrot peels might seem small and harmless, but they can cause big problems. Peels can create a thick sludge in your pipes, leading to clogs, especially when mixed with other food waste. They're also tough on garbage disposals, often getting caught in the blades. It's best to compost peels or throw them in the trash. Number 3. Flour. Flour might seem innocuous, but it's a real troublemaker for your plumbing. When mixed with water, flour forms a gluey paste that can easily clog your pipes. This paste sticks to the sides of the drain and accumulates other debris over time, leading to serious blockages. Always wipe out floury bowls with a paper towel before washing them in the sink. Number 4. Spaghetti and pasta. Pasta might seem soft and harmless, but it's surprisingly problematic for your plumbing. When pasta sits in water, it continues to expand, potentially blocking your pipes. Even small bits can swell inside the pipes and cause blockages, especially when they catch onto grease or other debris. Always scrape leftover pasta into the trash or compost bin. Number 5. Rice. Like pasta, rice is another expanding food that can wreak havoc on your plumbing. Rice absorbs water and swells, potentially creating blockages in your pipes. Sticky rice is especially problematic as it can turn into a starchy paste that clings to pipe walls. It's best to dispose of leftover rice in the trash or compost. Number 6. Coffee grounds. Many people think coffee grounds are okay for the garbage disposal, but this is a myth. Coffee grounds don't break down in water. Instead, they clump together and settle in your pipes, leading to blockages that even a garbage disposal can't handle. Used coffee grounds are great for compost or can be used as a natural fertilizer for plants. Number 7. Eggshells. Eggshells might seem fragile, but they're surprisingly tough on your plumbing. They break down into small, sand-like particles that can combine with other debris to form clogs. Some people believe eggshells sharpen garbage disposal blades, but this isn't true. It's best to toss eggshells in the trash or crush them up for your garden. Plants love calcium. Number 8. Mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes might be comfort food for you, but they're a nightmare for your pipes. The starchy consistency makes them stick to pipe walls, attracting other debris and eventually forming a clog. They can act like cement in your pipes, creating stubborn blockages. Always scrape leftover mashed potatoes into the trash. Number 9. Seafood shells. Shells from shrimp, crab, and other seafood are too hard and bulky for your plumbing system. They can damage your garbage disposal and get stuck in your pipes, leading to clogs. Even if broken into smaller pieces, they can still cause issues by accumulating in your plumbing. Always dispose of seafood shells in the trash. Dispose of. Number 10. Oatmeal. Oatmeal might seem harmless, but it's another food that expands with water. In your pipes, it can turn into a thick, glue-like substance that sticks to the sides and causes blockages. This is especially problematic when combined with other debris. It's best to scrape leftover oatmeal into the trash or compost bin. Number 11. Bones. Bones are far too tough for your garbage disposal and pipes. They can damage the disposal blades and get stuck in your pipes, leading to costly repairs. Even small bones can cause issues if they build up over time. Always throw bones in the trash or save them to make stock if you're feeling culinary. Number 12. Pulp from juice machines. Fruit and vegetable pulp from juicers is highly fibrous and can quickly accumulate in pipes. Over time, this fibrous material can create large blockages, particularly when combined with grease or other debris. Instead of putting it down the drain, add juicer pulp to your compost or use it in baking recipes for extra fiber. Number 13. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are too hard for your garbage disposal and can damage the blades. Even when ground up, they can accumulate in the pipes, especially if mixed with grease. This combination can create stubborn, paste-like clogs that are difficult to remove. Number 14. Cheese and dairy products. Dairy products can solidify in your pipes, especially when mixed with other food waste. This can create stubborn blockages that are hard to remove. Cheese, in particular, can congeal and stick to pipe walls, trapping other debris. Always scrape excess dairy products into the trash before rinsing dishes. Number 15. Leftover food scraps. While it's tempting to rinse plates directly in the sink, leftover food scraps can accumulate and cause problems. Small bits of food can combine with grease and other debris, leading to clogs over time. They can also attract pests to your plumbing system. Always scrape plates into the trash or compost before rinsing. Number 16. Paper towels and napkins. Paper towels and napkins don't break down in water the way toilet paper does. They can create large blockages that are difficult to remove and might require professional help. Even if they make it past your pipes, they can cause issues at water treatment plants. Always dispose of paper towels and napkins in the trash. Number 17. Dental floss. Dental floss might seem small and harmless, but it can cause big problems in your plumbing. It doesn't break down and can form tangled clumps inside the pipes. These clumps can trap other debris, resulting in severe clogs that are hard to remove. Always throw used dental floss in the trash. Number 18. Medications. Flushing medications down the sink or toilet can contaminate water supplies. Most water treatment facilities aren't equipped to remove these substances from the water. This can lead to environmental issues and potentially affect wildlife and human health. Always dispose of medications properly. Many pharmacies offer take-back programs. Number 19. Cleaning products. Harsh cleaning chemicals can damage your plumbing and harm the environment. They can corrode pipes over time, leading to leaks and other plumbing issues. These products can also disrupt the beneficial bacteria in septic systems and cause problems at water treatment plants. Always use cleaning products as directed and dispose of excess according to local regulations. Number 20. Candle wax. Candle wax might seem harmless when melted, but it can cause serious issues in your pipes. As it cools, wax solidifies and can stick to the inside of your pipes, leading to clogs and drainage issues. It can also trap other debris, making the blockage worse over time. If you have melted wax in your sink, let it harden and scrape it into the trash. Now that you know what not to put down your kitchen sink, you're well on your way to avoiding plumbing disasters. Remember, your sink isn't a magical portal that makes things disappear. It's a gateway to your home's plumbing system. Treating it with care will save you time, money, and headaches in the long run. Think of your pipes as the veins of your home. Just as you wouldn't clog your arteries with junk food, don't clog your pipes with things that don't belong there. A little mindfulness goes a long way in maintaining a healthy plumbing system. Next time you're tempted to rinse something questionable down the sink, pause and ask yourself if it's worth the risk. Share this knowledge with your friends and family. You might just save someone from a plumbing nightmare. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.